If you got a pair of King Ranch seats, you're gonna wanna watch this. Maybe your seats look a little something like this, or sun faded, or dry, or cracked. We're gonna show you how to restore and revive these seats in a very quick fashion. See, there's a lot of discoloration, imperfections, almost looking like scratch marks, but really it's just dry marks, stains. This kind of stuff is really hard to get out of this leather, so let's dive into how I do it. Now, if you'll notice, this is a lot darker. This piece, the center console piece, has had a lot more body oils touching, just a lot more contact with their owners than other pieces. Like the back seat doesn't see as much, but this one obviously, you know, went through the rounds. But we got these for cheap enough to where we'll be able to do some restoration to them. But like I was saying earlier, this has actually been treated with shampoo and hot water, like most professionals will tell you with this aniline stuff. It works a little bit differently than other leathers. So this has already been treated with hot water and shampoo. It's actually drying right now, which is why it looks so much darker than our other cousins over here. And that's what is actually going to happen to this next. So we'll go through the shampoo and hot water process, and I'll show you guys some clips of that. What I actually use is a microfiber pad, and I put it into hot water with shampoo, and I just dab it. It's not good to go rubbing on this leather. It will literally kind of flake off and rub off, so we're just going to dab. Okay, so we've got the hot water going. This is very hot, and that's what you want. You want really hot stuff, almost too hot for your liking, right? And this stuff will soak it right up, but it's also getting cleaned in the process. So this is what it looks like with treatment done and without treatment. So this is drying now. Should look a lot better. So this is what it all looks like after being treated. There's certain spots that we're definitely gonna go over again. One being this streak here, and then this streak right here. We're gonna see if we can make that look, you know, as light and as faint as possible. You can't get rid of it completely, but when the stain goes on, that will mask it up the rest of the way. We'll wait for all this to dry out and keep following the process if you guys want to see a beautiful end product.